Hello and welcome to our channel, BUTLER-HQ, and today I'll be doing a review on the Tong reproduction front wings. This wing. It's quite hard to judge a wing by how it's fitted because it's fitted by a human and you don't know how much patience that person's got or time on his hands. But you can look at stuff like that. See, the wing buckles out a bit. I've looked inside and there don't seem to be any damage, so that just seems to be like it is. Also, if we go to the top of the wing, you can see that it's just shoddy, especially if we go to the other side. There is the same bit as it, but on the other side. Yeah, that's my little look around a replacement wing for a BMW E34 from Tong. The stat mark's so funny, you can't really pronounce what it is, but I'm just going to zoom in there now and show you so you can all be aware. There we have it. And that's, I suppose, the part number. So yeah, that's my review of a Tong replacement BMW E34 wing. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and comment if you want to say I'm wrong, you want to say I'm right, you want to agree, disagree, or you know a better manufacturer wing than this one. Let us know in the comments. But until next time, bye bye.